Creatine supplements. Natural sources of creatine include meat and fish, as well as the human body's production of it in the pancreas, liver, and kidneys. It is transformed into phosphocreatine, also known as creatine phosphate, and stored in the muscles for usage as an energy source during brief, high-intensity exercises like sprinting or weightlifting. Glycine and arginine are the two amino acids that combine to generate the derivative creatine. Some have referred to amino acids as the building blocks of life because they are the building blocks of protein. Bodybuilders and competitive athletes are big fans of creatine pills. The allure of creatine lies in its potential to augment lean muscle mass and improve athletic performance, especially in high-intensity, short sports. But not every research involving humans indicates that creatine enhances athletic performance, and not everyone seems to react to creatine supplementation in the same manner. For instance, those who typically have high levels of creatine in their muscles naturally do not experience an increase in energy from additional creatine. The potential of creatine to build muscle growth and strength may also aid in the fight against muscular weakness brought on by conditions like muscular dystrophy and heart failure, according to preliminary clinical research. Using creatine supplements increases lean muscle mass and strength when performing brief, high-intensity workouts like weightlifting. Young people exhibited the majority of the good results in these investigations. The exact mechanism by which creatine supplements enhance performance is unknown to researchers. However, it might make it possible for the body to produce more muscle and burn fuel more effectively when exercising. Further investigation is required. Although there is a chance of major side effects when taking high dosages of creatine, it seems to be typically harmless. In this video, we will talk about those consequences. 1. Kidney damage. While a previous study indicated that creatine may exacerbate renal failure in persons with kidney problems, creatine does not seem to have an impact on kidney function in healthy individuals. 2. Liver damage. This syndrome has been associated with creatine. Its administration has been shown to inhibit the formation of homocysteine in the liver and the consumption of adenosine methionine, which reduces fat storage and has positive effects on non-alcoholic liver disease and fatty liver. 3. Digestive issues. If you take too much creatine at once, you may have upset stomach. According to a study, athletes who took 10 grams of creatine all at once had belching, upset stomach, and diarrhea. When using 2 to 5 grams dosage of supplements, no side effects were recorded. Your body produces creatine, but diets also contain creatine. If you are not taking supplements, your diet accounts for about half of what is in your body. It's primarily found in diets high in protein. Pork, beef, fish, and animal milk from sheep, goats, and cows are among them. The long-term effects of creatine supplementation remain unknown to researchers, particularly with regard to young people. Young people that use creatine often do so against medical recommendation, which may lead to overconsumption. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.